Hey guys, today we are unboxing Vaultek's new Lifepod Humidor.
What's up guys, welcome back to Gent Lounge. I'm George, this is Blake. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. It really helps us out. Today we have partnered with our friends over at Vaultek to unbox their new Lifepod Humidor. This thing is freaking sick. So if you guys are not familiar with Vaultek, they are famous for making their gun safes, and now they have put that technology into a life-proof humidor. So this thing is waterproof. You need a password to get into it. It is airtight, sealed tight. It has Bluetooth humidor, connects to your phone and tells you how much humidity is inside your humidor. This thing is badass.
Yeah, so Vaultek makes, like George was saying, the best gun safe probably on the market. And now they're making a humidor that I think 007 would use. Yeah. Right? This is sick, dude.
So guys, I don't know about you, but I travel quite a bit with my cigars, and I have yet to find something that is a hard case that can fit more than 3 or 4 cigars and can actually, protect my cigars. So you can put some credit cards in there, you can put a lighter in there, you can put your cutter in there, and it all locks with your own password, so no one can get into it once it is locked. So as you can see guys, it has these 2 clips on the side which keeps it airtight and locked solid, and then you just hit the lock button, type in your password, it opens up, and then you have some little compartments for credit cards, cutter, some cash if you want to.
So I've had cigar cases in the past, and usually they're leather, which doesn't keep the humidity in the actual humidor accurate. This bad boy is spot on. And it looks nice, dude. You could carry a card case like you were saying. It just looks very professional. And I think this is like a one and done. Like you buy this one and you're set until they make another color.
So once you have the app connected to your phone, you will literally get alerts from your humidor if the humidity goes above or below your desired settings. So I have this set between 65 and 75% humidity.
So George does have a Movida pack in there. I would recommend to season your humidor beforehand, so that's like a whole separate process. It's not full cedar, but it will just get the box ready for your cigars.
So yeah guys, this humidor is awesome. It holds 6 quality cigars. Preferably, I guess the Robusto size is what the tray is made for, but you could actually pull the tray out if you wanted to, and you could stack a bunch in there, though you would lose the humidity control.
But you could add more if you wanted to. So basically you can use this for different types of tobacco. You could also use it for cannabis products if you're into that. Pretty much you can use it for anything that humidor needs humidity, right?
Exactly. All right guys, so that pretty much wraps up the video. We have a link to Vaultek's Lifepod Humidor in the description down below. I believe this is a limited edition item for them, so if you want one, check it out now. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. And if you haven't followed us on Instagram over at gentslounge, give us a follow over there. Cheers guys.
Cheers.